afternoon, Rebecca. My name is Maria Camila Suaza. Maca took good care of his new pet. Every day, he threw fish for Slip to catch with his mouth.
In his mouth.
In his mouth. Then he taught the seal pup to do tricks. Slip even learned to balance a snowball on his nose. Slip liked his new friend. Wherever Maca went, Slip followed. Weeks passed, and winter came. Everything was frozen hard. Now the sun didn't shine anymore. It was night all the time. Slip still liked his new friend, but he was lonesome for slide. He missed playing with his twin brother. Slip waited until no one was looking. Then he crept quietly out of the village. He crawled a long way without saying anything but the stars in the sky. Slip was hungry and tired. He dug out a bed in a mound of soft snow, and he crawled in and went to sleep. When the little seal woke up, more snow was falling. Slip was frightened, but he hurried as fast as he could go. At last, Slip came to the place where he had left with his
where he
had left his mother and twin brother. He looked everywhere, but he couldn't find any seal. Then Slip began to bark. He barked louder and louder. Soon he saw a head peek out of a hole in the ice. "Slide!" shouted Slip. He scrambled over the ice to his twin brother. The other seals swam away to warm water, said Slide. I stayed because I hoped you would come back. I am glad you didn't go, said Slip. Now I can take you back to the village with me. This time the twin seals crawled all together over the ice and snow. At last they came to the village. How surprised Maka was. He saw two little seals slipping and sliding across the ice. Then he smiled. Now I have two pet seals. What a cute story, giggled Kim. We could name our little seals Slim and Slip and Slide. Or we could call them Whiskers and Whitey, said Min. We will need to hurry, Mother said. It is almost time for the next show. Where are we going now? Asked Min and Kim. Bye, Rebecca. Thank you.